Hey everybody, it's Bob again, and happy Monday. Starting off a new week. This trip we're taking a load of steel beams and stuff, going down to LAX to the American Airlines terminal where we've been going lately. This is my third load that I've taken down there, but there's a lot of loads have been going down. Load of steel going to LAX, American Airlines, yay. Got a little over 5 feet off the back, so I just got to have a flag on it. You got a little bit of overhang up there, but it's not too bad. Got my fifth wheel slid all the way back, and the weights came out actually 32 on the front and only about 30,000 on the rear, but we're gonna go with it. So this load, nothing fancy, just a couple of beams down on the bottom that are 58 feet long. So they got them down on the bottom, they're sticking out on either end, no big deal. He doesn't have any idea yet on what we got coming back. He's got some feelers out, so we'll see what we end up getting. Okay, well, we got down here at LAX about midnight. There's 4 of us here, so I don't know what order we're going to go in at, but they don't know if they're taking us in or if they're gonna unload us at the laydown yard, but they'll let us know in the morning, so we'll go to bed and see how it goes tomorrow. Okay, well, we got unloaded and we got out of the airport before Joe Biden showed up. They were shutting down everything at 11 because Air Force One was going to come in and land. I guess Biden was going to be visiting LA or Southern California today for whatever reason. So we got unloaded and we were able to get escorted out of the airport before they locked everything down, and we would have been stuck there for a while. So I did see the motorcade coming in, so that was kind of interesting. Secret Service was there inspecting, or not inspecting, but checking a lot of people out. A lot of press and everything, so I was glad to get out of there. Well, they say when it rains, it pours, and it was raining. Yeah, I got in a little bit of an accident, but that wasn't the bad part. The bad part after the hit, I was sitting there watching everybody. I mean, there was cars everywhere. You'll see in the video that there was cars in the carpool lane that got hit. The car in front of me that I hit, I think he might have even hit the truck that cut over. I don't know. But there was stuff going everywhere. People were stopping and swerving. And I was sitting there waiting to see what was going to happen. And everybody just took off. And I pulled over as soon as I could and called 911. CHP came out. And they said nobody else called. I was the only one that called. So they did a report. They did a report with just my vehicle on there and the location. They looked at my dash cam and said, yeah, we saw what happened. Okay, well, we got loaded and we're on our way to Phoenix. I've got a load of roofing tiles they use in the desert, you know, the clay tile, shingles, whatever they are. So I've got a full load of them going from the manufacturer to one of their distribution centers in Phoenix. I couldn't film while they were loading because my camera's not waterproof and it was coming down. So we'll get there tonight and unload in the morning. We got to Phoenix, it's about 9 o'clock, stopped raining. I'm right in front of the place that I am unloading at, so that's good. So we'll get up in the morning and we'll go in and get it unloaded and we'll see what we end up going back with. We got unloaded this morning, no problem. It's kind of raining. It let up enough. I was able to put my camera out for the unloading, but anyway, we got the roofing tile off, and now we're heading up to Cottonwood to get a load of sand. I'm hoping Flagstaff's not going to be snowing, but I'm sure this storm it's all the way up to Utah. It's raining. So I'm hoping it's still raining Flag. Okay, well, we got the sand on, all tied down and tarped. And we're up here by Flagstaff right now. There is a lot of water. The snow has melted really fast because of the rain. Anyway, we're all loaded and we're heading up. Should get home before midnight. And he's not sure what exactly we've got coming up, but he's going to figure it out by tomorrow. The one thing I'm hoping I can do is get a new bumper put on. We might be doing that. He wants me to unload this load, but depending on what he's going to do, we'll see what the schedule allows. Well, we got home, it's 11 o'clock. We ran into a lot of rain and a little bit of snow, but nothing sticking. Looked like it might have been storming up over Highway 20, so instead of dealing with that, I just stayed right on 89 and came up that way. I caught up to Jared and Paige, and so we were running together all the way up, and he's at the yard, I'm at home. I'm gonna go to bed. We're gonna see what's gonna happen tomorrow. He was gonna try to send me out, but he can't get a return load on Friday out of Tucson, or out of Phoenix, so he wants to use me local instead, so we'll finish up doing local stuff, and I'll get a new bumper on the truck. I don't know how long I'm going to have to wait before releasing this. Investigations are still going on or whatever. Thanks for watching, and be careful out there, and we'll catch you on the next video.